How to turn off read receipts on Messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also don't want people to show you that you have already read their messages so that they will be waiting for the immediate reply, then you are in the right video. So first thing, to disable or turn off read receipts option on your Messenger, first open up your Messenger and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, and just click on this menu button at the bottom right corner, and you will be heading over to this section of the page where you can see the option called settings right under your profile icon. So just tap on it, and once you're inside here, scroll down until you see the option called or privacy and safety. So just tap on this, and from over here just scroll down until you see the option called read receipts. As you can see, just tap on it just like this, and all you have to do is just disable this option from over here, and people won't be able to see when you have read their messages, and you won't be able to see when they have read yours as well. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.